We'll guide you through how to turn off developer mode on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason, developer mode has been enabled on the device. With this, it goes and unlocks more settings. Now, you may not want these settings to be available in case they're changed, and they can do quite a lot of different things. So what we can do is go and turn it off, and they'll then go and be removed, and developer mode will be turned off. Of course, you can always go and turn it back on again in the future, and we've got a guide on how you can go about this. Make sure there's full guides so you know what to do step by step and you don't miss out on anything important. And let's go and dive straight into this. So what we need to do is go and head to the settings on our device. So what you can do is go and swipe up like so, go and swipe across and go and find your settings. By default, they'll be on this first page here, so you can swipe to it, but you can always go and search at the top of settings to go and find them. Then what you can do is go and open up settings like so. So now what we can do is we can go and scroll down here. And at the bottom, you're going to go and find the option for developer options, as you can see about phone. So when we go and turn them off, this will then go and remove developer options from the list. As I said, you can always go and turn them back on again if you want them again in the future. So what you can do is come into developer options like so at the bottom, wait for it to load, and simply to go and turn off developer mode, we need to go and switch it off at the top here. So we'll go and say developer options on, tap on it, and that's now gone and turned off. So we press back, you go and see the options now gone, and those settings can't be changed. As I said, you can always go and turn it back on again in the future.